Music. In this Duda review, I'll explore its website building capabilities. Duda is perfect for agencies, freelancers, and businesses seeking professional, efficient website creation. Check the description for product links. Duda's feature-rich platform prioritizes simplicity, speed, and customization, catering to all skill levels. Its intuitive drag-and-drop builder lets you design stunning websites without coding. Pre-designed, industry-specific templates simplify building business sites, portfolios, blogs, or online stores. These responsive templates adapt seamlessly to any screen size. Duda excels with powerful client management tools. Agencies and freelancers can collaborate easily, gathering feedback and making real-time changes. Team-based workflows facilitate multiple users working concurrently. Duda's advanced SEO features, including customizable meta tags, sitemaps, and redirects, optimize your site for search engines. Integrated analytics track website performance. For e-commerce, Duda provides product management, secure payment integrations, and streamlined checkouts. Built-in payment gateway support allows quick store setup and online sales. Duda offers 24/7 customer support and cloud-based reliability for fast performance and excellent uptime. In short, Duda is a top-tier website builder. Its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and robust collaboration tools make it ideal for building professional websites quickly and efficiently. Explore Duda further, check the description link for more info.